Good morning, everyone. Today is August 1st, 2026, and we are in our yard with daffodils. And look what I got in my hand, muscadine grapes. And we have this. This is nopales as a superfood. We have Valencia oranges. And look, guys. Look over there. Isn't that a beauty? Yeah. And I am picking this today. Yes, ma'am. Oh, it looked like the bird already made a hole on it. There we go. Yeah. A bird dug a hole on it, but if it's good for the bird, it's good for us too. So, and we have malunggay right here. So, I'm gonna make malunggay soup today. But I wanna show you my yard. It's like a jungle in here. A lot of work. Uy, caramba. The mosquito was biting me. Yeah, it's a jungle, but it's a work in progress. This is my Pakistani mulberry. It's not the season yet, but we're working on it. So as you can see, a lot of work to do. And yeah, but I'm gonna share to you my what you call this, I forgot the name. So I will talk to you later. Bye. Have a good day.